Napanood nyo na to kanina pero we're gonna play it one more time just to set the mood. Narito po ang official trailer ng Project Baby. And of course, hindi pa kompleto ang ating afternoon without our lead stars, Rico Blanco and Sue Ramirez! Can I request everybody, mag-photo up muna tayo sa gitna. Can I request lang, isang group photo lang para meron na agad ma-post ang ating friends on the middle. Let's have one group photo para meron na tayong ma-post agad. Hot off the press. Big smiles, everybody! Ayan! Please don't forget to include our official hashtag, Project Baby Project Launch. Okay, well... Usag ako dito ng content. Ayan. Okay, let's begin with some opening remarks first from Sir Keith. Congratulations sa success ng Almost Us, not to mention success din ng Shake, Rattle and Roll, Evil Origins, last MMFF. What do you want to say, Sir Keith?
Well, first of all, thank you for joining us this afternoon, and to all the fans that continue to buy tickets and go to the movies and make an effort. Thank you so much for your support. We're very excited to share more.
Thank you for joining us this afternoon. Well, of course, nakita niyo naman ang title namin, Project Baby. So, I think it raises a lot of questions. Kasi nga, right now, especially women, not just women, or even men, they always think about like whether they're gonna get married, or whether they're gonna live in, or have a baby. May mga questions na ganon. So, it may seem tough na yung topic mo, medyo parang mahirap isipin.